Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of my Morse code GGC app. Here's the app with a custom logo. Let's open it up. Okay, we're going to type the normal SOS signal and we're going to transmit it. As soon as we click on the button, we're going to see that the text changes according to which letter is playing, and there's going to be a picture here that's going to flash according to how each letter is flashing. Either it's a dash or a dot. Okay, let's go ahead and do a longer one. And lastly, let's go back to the SOS. But this time I'm gonna click it 4 times so you can see how it will stack. It will queue all the the number of times the button was pressed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's go to the about page. Here's the name of the class, the picture, and my name. Thank you very much.